Today is the day. Excited for your fridge?
Yes.
Got our fridge coming.
Finally.
Our couches. Our dryer's getting installed right now. Can't wait to sit here and watch the game. Couches. So we found a reason for the boys to pick up their clothes, so it's not on the ground anymore. See? Oh, hello.
Yeah, but look how fast they filled up.
Yeah. So now they're over here trying to play basketball with
Wait,
their...
this was clean. Why is it here?
Well, maybe they just want to play. So here's our fridge. It's a Frigidaire gallery.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Okay, we got a nice little ice maker. Twin Tech, what does that mean?
Not sure.
Crisp seal. La Fruta, look, snack zone.
Oh, what the? Why is it so small?
For snacks. Ooh, look at this.
You can move this if you need something larger or here.
You can purchase this at Costco.com.
You want it to be a freezer? You want it to just be for snacks, drinks? So basically, if you want it to be a freezer, it's just part of the fridge.
Ah, like extra storage.
Your drinks and
But the
stuff.
bottom one is a freezer?
Yeah, the bottom one is a freezer. Adjustable.
How much for those feet picks, huh?
Hey, those are not free.
Here's our dryer. It's a Whirlpool. We got the matching one. So this one's all electric. The one we had before this was gas. So we had to kind of like toss it. Works pretty good. Here's our couches. Those sectional. They could, they're removable. We could like set them up.
Super deep.
Super deep. This could clip on. This is for the game. Check it out. So comfy, even the dog likes it.
Tommy, you like the couch? Yeah.
Yeah, this is like the perfect couch for the game.
Can I be a model?
How many colors is this
It's
couch?
actually two colors. There's this color, which is like a light gray.
A light gray.
And there's a darker gray available online only. Costco.com.
And then these have like a little thing where you could clip on. Let's see if we find it.
And the receiving end is on the other side.
Yeah, so that's your clip. And you can clip it onto your couches right here.
So
It's the receiving end. It's pretty cool. So this is the receiving end. So if you want to click it onto your couches, you just click it on, boop. And you can just put it away if you're not going to use it, boom. Meow. Yeah, and we got a pretty good deal on these couches. Well, the whole combo. We bought the dryer, the fridge, and the couches together for Labor Day weekend.
Labor Day weekend, when you purchase 3 items, it was $600 off.
600 off.
So the dryer was $500. So girl math, we got it for free.
You sure, baby? Ciao. We'll put a link for that one, all right, guys? Look how beautiful it looks. So over here, we had the Highland fire on this area. Should started raining earlier. Look, shopping for some appliances.
I love this one.
And it's my TV brand.
No, that's a garage.
I was thinking the garage.
Yeah, for the garage.
Am I?
I like it.
Little craft room for.
Storage.
Oh,
For my crafts.
wait, where's the price?
Right here.
I believe we closed both of them.